Welcome to this video. Let me just remove that. Okay. Welcome to this video where I was actually checking out BTC USD. It's on a 12-month basis. Let me just start by doing this first. Yeah. So it can all be visible to all of us. This is Bitcoin over the years from 2014 up until 2024. So in the past 10 years, what is happening with Bitcoin? As you can see, something beautiful, and Bitcoin has been buying for the past 10 years, been in a bullish market, except for this year in January. On 2022, on 2022, that's when things have been kind of shaky for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has been on a bull run, reaching all the prices of 70,000 all the way there. And it's unfortunate that some of us didn't actually catch it when it was still $500, or even way before here when it was still very cheap, like super cheap. You could, a friend of mine once told me that you could buy one Bitcoin for 50 South African cents, which is one of the coins you could actually pick up on the street of South Africa back then, even during that time. If you bought yourself some Bitcoin, stored it up, I think around 2005, stored it up, and today you'd be you'd be worth 63,000 to be worth $63,236, and you could cash out and buy yourself a nice good Tesla out there. Yeah, it's Cybertruck. I'm kidding, but anyways, so I was looking at BTC, and let me just go to it. One day. No, one day, no, one day, not one day, no, one day. Let's go for 1 month. It's the one that's a bit, properly. So as you can see in the monthly time frame, we can see that BTC has been going up and is still going up, forming higher highs, and they are retracements. So we might see we saw a retracement like this, and it went up and it came down. So here we're seeing it go up again, and a retracement like this. So what we might see, we might see it go still that if I draw over here, then the next thing, those things will be back again. But anyways, never mind that. So we'll see it going up, and then from there maybe we might see it retracing down all the way there, and then from there we see it breaking up all the way, just like it did here. It went up, retraced back up, then came back down over here, and then shot up, creating a higher high. So we might see something of that nature, or we might see something different from that. So anything is very much possible in this instant at this time. Okay, so yeah, so on a daily basis, let's look at that. This is what I thought on a daily basis would actually happen. So now I'm seeing 1, 2, 3 points. This trend line and the trend line above here, and this trend line over here. I'm seeing that here, down here, there was a clear of liquidity. There was liquidity clearing coming down to this order block. Let me just make it bigger so you can all see this order block over here. Put it precisely, right? And also into this area over here. Why did I count this area as well? Because it was a previous resistance area, hence it formed an order block there trying to resist, but the market broke through, came back and became a support, then went through, and it is now an area of support. Can you see that? So that's why it came to that area, clearing liquidity of those that think that the market might have reached here only, but they cleared all that liquidity, all the stop losses of people that bought here and here and here. So they came to clear all that, making that an order block, also respecting that resistance tend support. Then from there, they went up, come back to this area, clearing some of the stops that people bought over here for the last time. And then now, if we see a breakout of this area and the retracement we might enter trades over there going to the upside, or right over here. And if we see a break going to the upside, then we might enter over there and going all the way to the upside. Now, that's the technical part of it. And then the fundamental part of it is that there's so many things happening currently in the economy. Yesterday, the Fed actually cut interest rates. So that means there's going to be lots of money flowing around. money floating around in the markets. Money is going to be used up in the markets. Many people are going to borrow money at very cheaper prices, and even in the coming months, the Fed is going to try to cut rates so that it could stop the cooling of the economy, because the economy in America has been cooling down, and the market, the Fed has to make sure that the market actually starts um, moving forward again, so that there can be jobs, because we've had about 4 months where the jobs, the NFP, non-farm payrolls, came out lower. So that means that there's unemployment in America, and the Fed doesn't like that. The government doesn't like that. So what will they do? They have to provide means for getting those jobs into people, and the only way they can do that is so that companies can be able to borrow more money. And when companies borrow more money, that means that they're going to employ more people, and then when they borrow more money, that now they have excess money to actually do other things and consider other projects that they had in their timeline as a company. And then they are going to take that money and use it on that, and that's going to be able to hire more people, because they're going to need more personnel working onto the on that project. And that's what usually happens. And then that now it's going to boost economic activity, also boosting the CPI data as well, the consumer price index going up, manufacturing price index going up. Everything will be now going up, and America, the economy will kickstart again and start actually going up, because companies will have borrow money at at a cheaper rate. That is why they are lowering interest rates, so that the central bank is lowering interest rates, so that the commercial banks as well can also be able to lower their interest rates when lending out to companies. And then from there, companies are going to borrow more money, and then you know the story, how it's going to go by. So most of the people and most of the companies, most of these hedge funds, these investment firms, investment banks, are going to be borrowing more money so they could speculate in the market. And the best place they can do it is the crypto market. The best place they can do it is the Bitcoin, because it's the one that is known everywhere, that is trusted, that is the Bitcoin. So you're gonna buy up more Bitcoin, and the volume is gonna go up and up and up and up. And when Bitcoin buys, you know that the next thing that's following is a crazy rampage of retail traders coming into the picture. Retail traders are going to be pushing most of the meme coins. Hence, some of the meme coins that are well known out there, the Doge coins, we have other coins, the Solana, is it Solana? I'm not sure, but there's so many of those, yeah. But the ones that is also known is going to be the Shiba Inu, because well, the Dogecoin is actually advocated for by Elon Musk. So Shiba Inu is kind of like the little one, the little dog of, so hence the Shiba Inu, I also have it here on my chart. So something else that is also going to go up, the technicals, as you can see, it is at an area where support, right? Resistance. This area was resistance, and it came back to that area, became an area of support, right? You can even increase this to that area. So we look at an area. So you see, now it's an area of support. It was resistance at first. Now it's support, making the market want to go up. Same thing again. So most of the people are going to be buying these meme coins. The best time to buy would be now, because the rule of the market says buy low, so high. So hence, you're going to be seeing a massive change. So you might want to take out those savings and start buying Shiba Inu. Yeah. So good luck for you. One of the things that are also going to go up is gold. Actually, gold maybe it's going to consolidate a little bit, because most of the people are going to take the money from gold, and actually they're going to stop investing in gold. But the central banks are going to be starting to buy more gold, and they keep on buying more gold. Central banks all over the world, from China to the US, and in Zimbabwe, they announced that they're backing their money against gold that they have in their vaults, so they're going to be mining more gold. So there's going to be an kind of like an excess number of gold in the vaults, and then afterwards, maybe when they when they start cooling down the economy, that's when the gold price is going to go up, because most of the people are going to be taking their money and safeguarding it in terms of assets that actually are safe, a safe haven for them, which is the gold and the other stuff. Yeah. So get your money out and start getting on this beautiful bull run that's going to happen. Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you may get your hands on, just buy everything. Go to the stock market to buy every stock. Go to the, just keep on buying, just buy. Nothing else, just buy. It's going to be a beautiful yeah, let's see how it actually goes, and let's hope we actually make some money and make us rich at the end of the day. So that's the end of this video. Ciao.